So today, Kendall Freer, Zach Schwartz, and I are going to go to the Monday Night Football game, Chiefs vs. Rams, for Yahoo Sports. We're going to take over the Yahoo Sports Instagram handle. All right, we're going to get some tailgating content, some game content. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. Go to Yahoo Sports handle and check it out. We'll be there in a couple hours.
Hey, we out here, Ram Nation, baby. Horns up. Let's go. We out here grilling.
Right here.
Let's go, Rams. Whose house? Whose house? Whose house? Let's get it.
These Rams are ready for us, baby. We're Atlanta bound. Let's go. Chiefs Kingdom in LA. We're getting this dub, and you're going to see these deuces tonight. Let's go. Chiefs! Chiefs!
Hey guys, we found the Chiefs tailgate. We're here to ask them some questions about Patrick Mahomes and his love of ketchup. What do you guys think?
Yeah, just like my boy Mahomes. This is for you, 1-5.
Woo! Oh my! Pat Mahomes challenge.
It's better. It's better.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, it's the Mahomes challenge.
All right, Patrick Mahomes, this is for you, my friend.
Oh yeah!
Get it! Oh my God! Really cut those.
Oh, that's good. Yep. Oh, Patrick Mahomes.
It hits the spot.
Go.
It's good.
Let's go, Chief. Horns up! Let's go, Rams! Get it one!
Okay, posted up in the press box at the LA Coliseum, Chiefs Rams. And I think the thing I'm really going to be looking at in this game is the Chiefs rush defense versus the Rams rush offense, which is multiple and varied. If the Chiefs want to win this game, got to be disciplined with their eyes. Look, into the first quarter, Rams up 13-7, and the Chiefs very undisciplined. 8 penalties and a Rams 0. Rams about to knock on the door for another score. Kansas City's got to be more disciplined, and the offense has to keep. Okay, we're at halftime of the game of the year in the NFL. Game's tied at 23, and I want more. Let's go. They're on track for 92 points combined, and a lot of penalties. Chiefs got to clean that up, but should be fun in the second half. Let's go. Okay, it's the start of the fourth quarter. The Rams are up 40-30, and I got to say, it seems to be getting away from the Chiefs a little bit. Combination of mistakes, a Super Bowl atmosphere is getting specifically the young quarterback Mahomes, 21 points off.
So we missed a couple of touchdowns, unfortunately. Trying to run around, get all this content. We missed one defensive touchdown by the Rams, one defensive touchdown by the Chiefs, and that bomb by Patrick Mahomes to Tyreek Hill. We're trying.